She's seeing the light, she's feeling alright about her progress. She's got a new place, it's good to be living on her own. She's got a new job right down at the bank, wearing her new dress. She's doing alright, but feeling so empty and alone. She thinks about what she's missing, someone who she could be kissing. She tries an app made for dating. She picks a guy to try out. He'll be the one she will take to the altar. She'll feel the sun living hand in hand. She'll find the strength that they need when they falter. Knows in her heart it's all part of the plan. She has the strength of a mother to carry on. She misses her like no other. Now she is gone. She draws her near to her heart in her memories. She feels her soul in the evening summer breeze. And now that the kids are mostly grown up, she finds a purpose. She's glad to help out, it's getting her out into the world. The kids are so small, it's bringing it all back to the surface. It's great to be there out in the fresh air, her love unfurled. She knows this is what she was missing, some sweet little ones to be kissing. She tries to be what they're needing, someone to figure them out. She'll be the one who will put out the fire. She'll feel the sun when they're happy again. She'll find the strength that she needs to aspire. Knows in her heart it's all part of the plan.